Alrighty, in this week's video, let me say, hey, it's Tony, for those of you who don't know my name. This is going to be a shorter video than I normally make, just because I really don't have that much content. I'm not on the boat. I'm in Southern Pines, the Pinehurst area of North Carolina, doing some work over in the main house. So in this week's video, I'm going to cover starting, prepping to install my flooring, which I hope to get done next week. And I'm going to actually give you a view of where I stay at when I come back to the Pinehurst area. And I'll maybe give an explanation of why I do that. So let's get to the video. You guys that have liked and subscribed to the videos, I really appreciate it. Continue to do so. Like I said, this is going to be a shorter video than I normally put together, just because I really don't have a whole lot to put in it, other than, you know, what little bit of work I did on the boat before I left this week. And at the end of the video, I'll come back and tell you what I've got upcoming and why I'm not on the boat just yet. Alright, so we're going to start on the flooring. So the first thing I've got to do is, with this flooring, is actually flush this out, level these areas here out. So when I put the LVT down, it's flush. So I'm going to use floor patch and leveler. It's the flexible formula, so there is some creaking and stuff, it won't crack. Well, let's get into it. This is a latex-based cementatious product. Tell you what, it's not as flexible as I thought it was going to be. Nope, don't think I'm gonna use it because it's old and dried out. Alrighty, so I went back to Ace to get a new batch of this filler. So let's get started. Alright. And see, that's a lot different there. See, it's not rolling up. So what I'm doing now is just spreading this out along the edges of the Cusa board where it meets the hull. So there's a little sharp edge there because there's a little height difference. I'm filling that in with this flexible filler, which is latex base, which makes it more flexible so it shouldn't crack with minor flexing of the hull and things of that nature. So we're doing the edges, and I really only have one side where I have this issue at. The other side, it meets something vertical, so I don't really have to fill it. I will have to come back and fill where the Cusa board meets in the middle, in areas like that, but we'll do that at a later time. I just didn't want to do it where I would have to step on it while I was still on the boat. We got one more little area to do over here in the kitchen. When I say kitchen, the galley area right here below the cooktop. That's the only other area I really have to worry about bending the LVT at. So we should be able to get this done fairly easily. Okay, so in this next little section here, what I'm doing is bringing the LVT on board that I'll be using for the cabin sole. It's about, I think I got around 66 square feet. I think these boxes are about 22 square feet a piece. So let's take a look at it. Alrighty, so this is the flooring for the boat. Give you a preview of what it looks like. So that's what the flooring looks like. So I hope we're going to be able to bend that in some areas. So we'll see. Alrighty, so I thought I'd give you all a view of where I stay at when I come to the guest house. I built this myself between 2012 and 2017. I mean, when I say I built it myself, I acted as a general contractor, except for the interior. I did all the interior finishing myself. So everything you see in here is what I've chosen to put in here, and the colors, and you know, I installed everything itself, the trims, all that kind of stuff, the sheetrock. I did that all myself. But it's a pretty sweet place to come and stay at. I'm thankful that my ex-wife allows me to come stay here. One of the reasons she does allow me to come stay here, because I continue to do projects for her over at the big house. But it beats, you know, it gives me a chance to get off the boat and be able to use the workshop downstairs, which y'all have seen in past videos. Alrighty, so that just about covers this week's video. One of the things about my video, they're more than just me working on a boat or planning to go sailing. They're also about my life. And so, you know, they're just not going to be all sailing. I'm going to start including some of the other things I do in my videos, because my videos are about my life. So I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, this is a shorter one. Next week's video will be a little different. To be honest with you, I would have already been back on the boat, but there are my cushions for my bed. I brought them with me to go ahead, and I couldn't quite start the sewing because I had some measurements I wasn't quite sure of. So I'm gonna have to get those sewed up before I leave. I'm gonna try to get those sewed up over the next day or so, and so that'll probably be in next week's video. Plus, if I get those done, as soon as I get those done, I'm gonna head to the boat. Even though I was supposed to be going to my brother's house, I'm actually gonna go to the boat for a few days, try to get the flooring installed, then take off again for about a week. I'll be on Lake Gaston doing some jet skiing and stuff like that. But if y'all held in this long, I appreciate it. If you didn't, well, hell with you. No, I'm just kidding. I appreciate all the views. Additionally, please hit that like and subscribe button. Leave comments. I enjoy responding to the comments. When I don't have anything else. But no, I enjoy responding to the comments even when I have something else to do. So hit that like and subscribe button. Anybody wants to help with the channel, their channel memberships, or you can join Patreon. I'm still stuck at 2 Patreons, but hey, it is what it is. I appreciate it. Don't get me wrong. I appreciate those $5 a month. So I really do enjoy that. So like I said, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is real life, baby. I'll get more into the DoorDash stuff. It's been interesting. I'll get into that next week probably. And so we'll see you then.
Oh!